G'day mates, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different from our normal CPAP shenanigans, and that is I'm going to be showing you how to fit a good SleepHQ hushed Avera. Now, as we all know, when it comes to treating sleep apnea, CPAP therapy really is the most effective. Yeah, it is I'm not going to say it. It's the best option. However, it's a pain in the ass. You got to go to bed. You got an ugly mask on your face. Not great for travel. So for a lot of people, millions of people, the next best option is an oral appliance. And the way these devices work is they keep your jaw forward, stops it falling back and collapsing your airway. That's the basis of it. Now, there's a few big problems with oral appliances. Number one, they're not really like a CPAP where you can, well, this one is, but it's not really like a CPAP where you can go and pick one up, try a few different masks, and if it's not working out for you, whatever, okay, you give it back. It's not going to cost you much money. With a custom oral appliance, you're going to the dentist, they're doing scans, they're sending those scans away to be printed, molded, manufactured, and then you're getting back this device, and they're thousands of dollars. And you don't really know if it's going to be suitable, how effective it's going to be at treating, managing your sleep apnea, how comfortable it's going to be for you when you're sleeping. Okay, so that's one of the big problems. And number two, unlike a CPAP device that has the SD card, you can upload it to SleepHQ, you got all these lovely charts, you can see your AHI, you can see your breathing when you're having apnea, all that sort of stuff. Most companies don't really provide you with a way to monitor your therapy over time, yeah? So I'm gonna show you how to do that, of course, today. But anyway, let's get started. So this here was $129. I bought it online, not a sponsored post, guys. I am somewhat looking after my fellow Aussies, Aussie, oi, oi, oi. As many of you would know, we Aussies basically run the whole sleep apnea industry. CPAP was founded by an Aussie. Good old Colin Sullivan. G'day if you ever see this Colin. Legend, top bloke. Anyway, let's get to it. So this one, 129 bucks, bought it online, came in like 2 days, and it's really easy to fit yourself. Okay, so it's cheap, easy to fit yourself, and it's a great introduction to oral appliance therapy. So you can go to bed, see how it's going, see how effective it is for you, and if it is effective, then you want to make the investment, you can go ahead, you can go to a dentist and you can pay a couple of $1,000, whatever they are, and you can get a proper advanced model made up. All right, so here it is here. So this isn't molded yet. All right, so 2 pieces. It actually comes with 3 pieces. This one here is the top. This one here is the bottom. And it comes with 2 bottom sections, 2 levels of advancement, all right? So what we're gonna do is, we're just gonna get the top one. I've boiled up some water here. Now, I have let it sit for a couple of minutes. We don't want it at 100 degrees. We want it around 90 degrees. So I've let it sit for a couple of minutes, pour it into a glass, and we're just gonna drop in the top section. Whoop. In she goes. I'm gonna leave it in there for, I don't know, minute to 2 minutes, up to 2 minutes, depending on how hot the water is. And then I'm going to take it out, put it in my mouth, bite down on it to get the mold. And then I'm going to do the same with the bottom, and we're good to go. And then I can also do...
Yeah, what are you doing up here?
I'm making a video. Do you want to come say hi to everyone? You can see yourself. Gremlin. Yeah. All right, so we're looking the goods here. I'm going to take it out, just drain it off a little bit, just show you what that looks like there. So inside it's gone all translucent. I'm going to place it in my mouth and bite down. And now you can place that in a glass of cold water if you like, or you can just let it rest. Looking good. And now I'm going to do the same with the bottom 2 pieces. All right, so here's the finished product. Now on the side here, we have U for upper and L1 for lower 1. The other one I haven't done yet, but that's L2, lower 2, more advancement. And the idea here is we put the upper one in. And the lower one. That's it. Easy as that. Now, when it comes to tracking sleep apnea, there really is no better solution. SleepHQ O2 Ring Pro. You put it on your bed, on your finger or thumb when you go to bed, whatever's comfortable, one size fits all. You go to sleep. This is going to take a recording of your blood oxygen once a second. It's going to take 200 samples a second, but one recording a second. And then you can wake up in the morning and you can see how many times throughout the night your blood oxygen levels dropped. 3% or more, 4% or more. Okay, they're called desaturations. And this is a great indication of how stable your breathing is throughout the night. If it's nice and regular, nice and even, nice and stable, then you're not going to have lots and lots of dips. If your breathing is very unstable and you're having lots of apneas, hypopneas, and so on, then you're going to have lots of desaturations, yeah, because there's no air coming into your lungs. Makes sense. So what you can do is you can spend a night without therapy, see how many dips you're having, or a couple of nights, whatever you like, and then you can put your oral appliance in, activate your Inspire, adjust your CPAP settings, whatever you need to do, and you can compare the result. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Sleep well, look after your mates, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.